What is up, guys? We're here at what's this place?
Gagay's. We're here at Gagay's base.
Yeah, Gagay's. They have burgers in it.
Yeah, we're gonna try their burgers.
Yeah, so we're going to try their burgers. We're here in Baler, Aurora, which is about 30 minutes away from our
It's the Baler.
where we live. So yeah, we'll just show you the menu. So there's the menu, guys. So we ordered a burger, Otto's burger, and Shirley has ordered the
Spicy, spicy, and overload fries.
and overload fries, and we got 2 mango smoothies with ice cream. Well, this is the place here, guys. So we'll take our straws.
Balls. Christmas balls.
Huh?
Christmas balls. Tissue.
So yeah, guys, it's quite a nice little area. So they got downstairs there, quite a few people down there. It's quite packed down there. It's nice though. Got some clothes here, selling some clothes.
Floats.
Huh?
Selling the floats.
Yeah.
Zara. Ooh. Zara.
Zara. So what else? We got some curry. So yeah, we're gonna try their Bob burgers, guys. Try their burgers. Huh? Shirley's hungry, guys.
That's Aliyah, sir. Aliyah, sir. Hotel.
What's that?
Yeah, Aliyah, sir. Hotel.
Oh, that's that hotel.
Yeah.
And that's a transition, like a boarding place.
Yes.
They call it transition house place. So I might go around by the front of on the boardwalk.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, nice.
So you guys, we'll wait for our burgers, and yes, we'll show you our burgers once they. So here's our yummy burgers, guys. What's this one?
Katsu cheesy, spicy.
Spicy
Yeah.
chicken, and this one's the Otto
Yeah.
spicy, eh? All they did was just stick spicy sauce on it. I was just waiting for our fries and smoothies.
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
So yummy.
You go taste yours.
The fries first.
Taste the fries.
Masarap. So good, no? Let's try the burger. Look at that.
Nice. And the smoothie. Nice.
Nice. Oh, what? Let's eat breakfast.
Let's eat. Cheers, guys. Cheers. You have to use a knife and fork for these.
Now, pagkatin na kung ida.
Smoky bacon. Look at this stuff. Should bring my chilies from home. That's for his chili. I'm sticking in there.
The small one. It's spicy.
So this is the first time we've been here, guys.
Yeah, same.
So this is in Baler. What's the place called? Gagay.
Kumli.
Huh?
Kumli.
No, the name of the place here.
Gardens.
Gagay.
Yeah. After Kumli, there's a restaurant downstairs.
So we're on the top floor. Nice and quiet up here, nice. I don't want to be down there.
What a people.
I need it.
This was 130. 130 smoothie. Pesos.
But we didn't have enough money because we have to go to the ATM machine.
So I mean, hardly it's hard for me to use. Fork. Wait.
Oh, mine's all broken up apart. I would recommend not to get the spicy one because it's not spicy. Is it spicy? Like hot? No.
No, really. It's not really expensive.
It's chicken, no big. It's called chicken.
Chicken. Gotcha.
You know, so I haven't seen in the Philippines here. It's milkshakes.
Even in other restaurant, they're selling milkshakes.
I've never seen milkshakes even at McDonald's.
In McDonald's, they're in New Zealand, there's milkshake.
Yeah. But in they don't have milkshakes.
Yeah.
They have Sundays, but they're using the same. You can use the same machine to make milkshakes. But in New Zealand, there's milkshake. And and Wendy's get a big.
Very small, no?
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Nice, huh? Not too much sauce. Drowned in food. Oh, that's all right. Colourful in here. Oh. It's good. Adesso flavors. These are like chips. Nice guys. Put a bacon or something. Are you full? Are you full?
Iyo, lang ako yung ako eh. Oo nga, sa'yo lang naman ako. Saka yung dalawang pad thai chicken and pork. Kung kutsara po, mas bifa.
May suot ka kasi, mayroon maga siya yun.
So you guys, that's our meal. And yeah, it was masala, delicious. The meal.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it was so good.
Yeah. What did you rate it?
Out of 10,
Yes, out of 10.
7. How about you?
Yeah, I'll rate it out about 7. Yeah, because
Why you copying me?
the burger was
Yeah.
the burger was
It was alright.
it was chicken. But yeah, no, it was alright. But
Yeah.
yeah, too much sauce and it wasn't that spicy for me. And if you ask for spicy, it's a bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Mine was the normal burger is 185, the Otto burger, but it was 200 pesos. So
Yeah.
about 20 pesos more if you had the spicy, and all they done was just a spicy sauce. But that's my opinion. So smoothie was alright. It was just mango smoothie. The fries were 150. Yeah, but it was a little bit cold. So they must they weren't hot, the fries. So because we got our burgers before the fries and the smoothie. So but that's our opinion, that's our review. So what's the name of the place?
Gagay's.
Gagay's here,
Here
burger
in
place.
Baler, Coblidis. Here in Sabang.
Sabang.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please subscribe to Shirley
YouTube.
YouTube channel and Facebook.
Bye.